Hello guys, welcome back, and everything is going crazily up and up and up. We saw gold just yesterday, a whole move from 2,930 all the way to now to $2,990. Yes, that is 100% correct. You didn't listen it wrong. $2,990. And back 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, I've mentioned it that there was a potential for gold. 2 weeks ago, I've mentioned there was a potential for gold to reach $3,000 in the end of this month. Okay, and here we are. We had that pullback down all the way to $2,840, $2,835, and then now all the way up to $2,990. More precisely, $2,989.70. But we're very, very close to that. And what is going on? Do I think gold will continue to rally? Do I think gold can go above $3,000? Well, that's exactly what I want to discuss today. But before we go any further, guys, I need you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this content with your friends. And if you have any type of question, just put in the comments and I will make some time to come and answer those questions for you. Now, do I think gold will continue to go higher? Let's first understand what is going on with gold and why did gold continue to rally as the way it's going at the moment. So with all of these tariffs, the taxes, and now Trump imposing even more tariffs on China, all of the investors are thinking it will happen a trade war. A trade war is about to happen because Canada say that they want back up. And that I've talked about that on my webinar yesterday. Canada have made very clear, we want back up. US won't take us as US will have to take us seriously. And what they will do is they will fight back whatever Canada has in tariffs. So if US puts tariffs on Canada for like 50%, Canada will fight back with 50% on US as well. And just a very quick thing here, and that's like I have to say that this is stupid because it's not the country, and it's not good for the country, and maybe, just maybe, it's not 100% sure, but maybe this will, yes, increase a little bit of a fraction on the GDP because they will be aggregating a little bit more. But who gets suffered is the consumers, is the society. So in the end of the day, the problem is not on the big guys or not on the government, is getting the problem on the society. So that's pretty sad to actually talking about, because it's going to be more an ego sort of work at the moment. But anyways, so coming back here, if Canada have 50% tariffs, they will implement 50% tariffs on US as well. And Mexico as well. Mexico say that they will implement tariffs on US, but we don't know yet how much. Most likely we will know very soon, and I will let you guys know as well. So China wants to put the lawyer in the middle, like the trade war lawyer for the whole world, and say that this is unfair commerce for US to be treating clients, customers, or whatever you want to call countries like that. And Trump won't back up. I can most likely guarantee that to you. Trump won't back up because he has such a big ego that he has to, if you're not going to do what I want, okay, this is what I will do with you until you do what I want. So same, exactly what he's doing with Canada. Canada don't want to become part of US, and therefore, Trump will be imposing tariffs on Canada until Canada decides to become a part of the US. So it is a trade war. And that's worrying any investors around the world, because imagine you have like a potential recession happening on US, you have this trade war going on, you have tariffs coming up as well, taxes will come up as well. So lots and lots of things happening around the globe at the moment. So all of the capital has been moving to safer assets. That's why Bitcoin has been falling as well. That's why US dollar, no one wants to touch that as well. And, Canada, Mexico pesos, Chinese yuan, Japanese yen has been raising as well. So that's the reason why those economies, why those monies are moving. So the smart money is actually getting out it's outflowing and inflowing into safe haven like gold, any other, safe haven currency, or like Japanese yen, yields and bonds, because they know something's about to happen. And I just want to make very clear here for everyone, if Trump imposes tariffs on Europe, Europe will become more stronger, okay? It won't become weaker, because then what will happen is most likely Ukraine and Russia will stop the fight, and Europe will be receiving cheaper gas, and therefore investors will be relieved to be able to invest in another safe haven that will be Europe. That's my opinion. So euro-dollar may continue to rise in the third quarter of this year. I know we are going to the second quarter, but I'm just trying to predict the third quarter already. I think on the second quarter we may have a decline, but then on the third quarter we may have an upward move again. Now, will gold move up? Yes, gold will continue to move up until 3,000 and then 3,100 and then 3,200. These are my targets for this whole year, okay? Maybe those targets, if things continue to go the way it's going, most likely we're gonna get hit like in another 3 months. Every month, $100, you know? So most likely, yes, we will get gold above the $3,000 mark. Most likely when it gets to 3,000 a retracement, and then it's a good dip to be buying gold and continue to go higher. Guys, I hope everyone have a beautiful weekend ahead. We had such a big week, a lot of announcements, USA, CPI, we have Canada interest rates decision. All of that I've been covering on the webinar. So if you want to be part of the webinar, make sure to join my Telegram. Make sure to be able to have 1 hour, just 1 hour from 5 to 6 p.m. in Australia time, every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Next week, I will be live, and you can chat with me. You can send me questions. You wanna, if you wanna show your strategy to me, not a problem. I can definitely listen to you and help you out any way that I can. So enjoy the weekend. Take some, rest. Do a little bit of studies as well. Prepare your week on Sunday, and I see you back on Monday. Thank you so much.